Guys, welcome back to another video of the Get Important Question Answer series. So yes, Get 22-24 exam is passed, so we have to give a MSQ question. So this is a computer network question. So the question is, an ISP has the following CIDR based IP address available with a IP address given to 200.200.128.0/20. So then the ISP gives half of the IP address to the organization A. So the organization A, we give half of the IP address, and the quarter to the organization B, and we give quarter with the organization B. The first IP address is assigned to the network which contains more number of IP addresses. What will be the possible value of the third octet? Then we have to third octet of organization B. So we have to check what is the possible values of the third octet of organization B. So for that we have to check that this is a classless IP addressing 200.200.128.0. So for /20 we have give that this is the network ID part. So network ID is 20-bit. So for that host ID part of means 32 minus 20 means 12-bit. So for that we have to break it down to the network ID. So we get 200.200.128 means 170.0. So this content 8-bit, this content 8 bits, and this content 4 8 bits, 16 and 4 20 bits. So this 20 bits represent network ID part, and the remaining 12 bits represent the host ID parts. So then we have to subnet this subnetting this. So we have, if we have to use subnetting, so we have to get extra bit to the host ID part. So for here we have to get number of IP address possible, number of IP address possible to power 12 12 bits. We have to get the host ID. So if we break it down into the two parts, it's a two parts. So for here, if we not break down this, so we have to get to power 12 IP address as a whole. But if we break it down to two parts, so the number of IP address for this part is 2 power 11, this part is also 2 power 11. So if we give this part is organization A, so this so we have to fix this first 20 bits, 1 2 3. So 200.200 dot first 20 bit. Then we have to fix this bit for this subnetting. So for this we have to get 0, and for this part we have to get subnetting 1. Subnetting 1. So then we have to break it out this second quarter as a two part to give the extra bit to the organization B. So if we give this part also organization B, or this part also organization B. So if we break it down, so number of network possible for this quarter 2 power 10, for this quarter 2 power 10. So for here uh, we have to take one extra bits also borrow. So 1 2 3, for this we have to take one bit, and for this we have to get one bit also extra borrow. Or for second part we have to get 1 2 3 1 1 4 5 10 6 7 7 8. So last two bit is 0 0. So for here also, so if we get it down by overall, so overall the network ID, if we get the overall network ID of this part, so network id network id of, if we check that this is organization A, the network ID of organization A is 200.200.1 consecutive 70 dot So this will be get 200.200.128.0, and then we have to calculate network ID of organization B. So if we give this portion as organization B, so we get 200.200.123, and then we get 10. So we get 100 and 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So it will be get 128 and 0. This will be the weightage of this value is 0 2 4 8. So 128 plus 8 136. So 200.136.0. If we give this position as the organization B or the network ID of organization B, this is all. If we give this position as organization B, so 200.200.100.100. So this will be returns 200.200.140.0. This will be the so this will be we give to the organization B. So for here we give the two possible value. So we check this for this we check the first part, we give this to the organization A. If we check that if we give the first part to the organization B and second part to the organization A, then we have to get another. But in the question we have to give that the first ip will be assigned to the network which consume more number of ip addresses. Means we have to fixed out we have to fixed out first organization A, because organization A needs more number of ip addresses. So in this scenario we have to first give B then A. This scenario is not possible. This is not possible. So we have to give A first, then we have to do the B which is subnetting for B. So for this question, so the third octet value of the organization B is 136 and 140 respectively. So option A and option B we have to matching out. So this is an MSQ questions, and thanks for watching.